I'm Sébastien Langé, pharmacist by training and director of the subsidiary of Firalis Molecular Precision. I'm born in Suresnes, just next to Paris, and then moved to Rennes for 15 years. It's also where I did my pharmacy studies. And then I went to Lyon for my business school at EM Lyon and finished my French adventure in Paris. I love particularly Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, all these wild places when I can hike, for example. So I'm passionate about music. That's something I love since my young age. I was involved in many associations to organize music events in France. Engagement. Firalis Molecular Precision is a service provider that perform sample analysis for different type of customers that can be academic institutes, but also biopharmaceutical companies to support them into their research, preclinical and clinical program, mostly in neurology and oncology. I'm currently launching the activities of Firalis Molecular Precision in the US with three main objectives. The first one is to make known Firalis Molecular Precision toward the major actors in the R&D in oncology and neurology in the US. The second one is to reinforce our presence here and strengthen our relationships with current collaborators. And the last one is to structure our subsidiary toward a very perennial and healthy growth in the US. But we are not just a functional support for labs. We also provide a big expertise to design the studies in the regulatory side, but also in all the bioanalysis, bioinformatics. We try to streamline the workflow for them to obtain the most actionable outcomes for their clinical programs. I try to really focus in neurology and more particularly in neurodegenerative diseases and try to support most of the major labs in the field. And we just signed a major contract with one of the main clinical centers in Boston, and I'm so grateful to be able to work with them.